I bravely strive to better myself. I believe in self-love. I believe in myself. I take great care of my body. I do not abuse my body with substance. I learn from my mistakes. I do not let my past hinder me. I choose optimism over pessimism. I choose to compete with myself, not others. I choose self-love over self-hate. I can dream it and can do it. I show up clean and looking my best. I accept who I am and what I've been through. I am not a victim but a victorious survivor. I accept where I am and have the ability to change. I will make healthy choices today as my body is a temple.